So how did I turn $9 into over $700? Let me show you. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video, dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. If this is the first time ever watching one of my videos, then you've missed out on tons of content, so make sure you check out all of my other videos. If it isn't, then it's nice to see you again. Of course, if you get some value from this one, make sure you like, comment, and of course, smash that subscribe button, and be sure to hit the notification bell as well, so that you stay up to date with all of my latest content. So recently, I posted a story on my Instagram showing how an ad set had over 80 ROAS. Now, a lot of people asked if people wanted to learn how exactly I was doing it. Obviously, the response was hell yeah. So I thought, why not just put out a video showing you how I'm actually doing this strategy. Q4 is officially here. It's cold as hell in the UK, hence you're probably going to see me wearing a lot of jumpers and looking a little bit homeless. But yeah, we're working hard, and the course is still in the works. If you aren't on the wait list, make sure you click the link down below. But let's jump straight into this video and show you how I'm doing this strategy, because I've been doing it every single campaign when I have something that's working, and time again, I'm getting fantastic results. So make sure you stay to the end, watch all of the video, and most importantly, if you get some value, then make sure you implement what you learned today. So let's jump straight into the computer and let's get straight on with it. Okay, so let's jump straight into this video and show you guys, well, first and foremost, the proof. It's all well and good saying you've made X amount of money, but if it's all about the proof in the pudding. So this is the campaign, and you can see here at the top one here, ATC did not purchase, which is goes without saying. Add to cart and did not purchase, and you can see here we were getting sales for $1.50, which is absolutely crazy. Yes, this is of course retargeting. It's the only pretty much way you're going to get very high ROAS campaigns. You kind of your 10x, 15x, 30x, and obviously, of course, we've got here 81x. So let me just refresh the screen, just so you can see numbers are exactly the same. So this should load it. Here we go. So you can see here what we're getting is a fantastic click-through rate of 6%. So of course, a high click-through rate means you get a low cost per click. And you can see what we've got here. CPM is $16, which again is high-ish in terms of CPMs in some people's eyes, but at the end of the day, all that matters at the end of the day, okay, all these other indicators are fantastic, but at the end of the day, ROAS and cost per purchase is the main indicators. So you can see here exactly the same. ROAS as 81.22. So we spent $8.96, so close to $9, and generated over $700. So how are we actually doing this? And of course, I've set up a few other things in this actual campaign using view content, did not add to cart, and then 95% viewed the video but didn't view the product page. So how is it I'm actually doing this, and how is it I'm able to generate these results? And over and over again, this same strategy is just falling into place. And the reason why I feel that this is because a lot of people, when they do retargeting, they then do conversion campaigns. So they do the conversion campaign and they set up an ad set within the main campaign, and obviously do your view content, did not add to cart, or add to cart, did not purchase. Now that's all well and good, but that wasn't what I was doing here. So what I've recently been doing, and I've been doing it for a while now, fair few months, and time again, it's always working, is setting up traffic campaigns. So the campaigns that I use now for retargeting are traffic campaigns. Now, a lot of people out there either, like I mentioned, either do website conversion campaigns, or sometimes they test out a reach campaign as well. So, trying to get as much reach as possible with the offer that you've got going on. But after split testing, all of these ones from a website conversion campaign to traffic campaigns to reach campaigns, I'm finding that traffic campaigns are blowing everything else out of the water. especially on add to cart and did not purchase. Now, the reason why I'm moving towards more of using traffic campaigns is because when you set up a retargeting campaign for just, for retargeting, you got to remember Facebook, what they're doing is they're going to show it back down to the people who are more likely to convert, which sometimes isn't always the case. It limits the pool when you run in, website conversion campaigns, because it's showing it to the buyers that Facebook have put into their buckets essentially. But with traffic campaigns, what we're doing is we're just driving traffic. That is it. We're just driving traffic regardless of their bucket, regardless of if they're buyers, if they add to cart, whatever it may be. And you got to remember that these people have added the product to their cart, so they're essentially, they're warm audiences. They've shown a buying intent. Now, that is obviously fantastic, because I'm finding that, when you do this on the add to cart to purchase, it just always seems to, get ROAS, which is absolutely crazy. Now, for the other two, view content and add to cart, I've switched this one off because what I'm finding is that website conversion campaigns work better for, view content to add to cart. And of course, on the 95% viewed and did not view the products. But when it comes to add to cart and did not purchase, traffic campaigns just seem to be, for some reason, the best. Now, like I said, some people do use reach campaigns, but, again, they just don't seem to be that. What I seem to get all the time is I get a lot of reach, I get a click-through rate and stuff like that, but everyone just seems to be a tie kicker, okay? I get loads of add to carts, but no one actually purchases. But what I'm doing with this add to cart and traffic campaign is I'm optimizing for link clicks, not landing page views, which I think is the default, which it sets itself to, and not conversions or anything like that. I'm literally just setting for link clicks. And what I want Facebook to do is go out, remember, these people have shown buying intent, and I just want them back to the website. I want them I don't care, what bucket they're in. I just want them back to the website so they can see the offer that I'm putting out there. Now, in terms of the offers, to get these people obviously to convert with a retargeting campaign, you need to make sure that you're putting in, make sure that your front end advert is, it has some sort of offer. These people haven't purchased, they haven't gone through the, they've added it to their cart, they've got to maybe the initiate checkout stage, but they haven't purchased for a particular reason. Now, this could be, there's too much shipping on there, there's, the price wasn't right at the time, they just didn't want to pay, or for some reason the doorbell might have rang and they just had to fly out the door there and then. We don't know what that reason is. However, what I'm finding is that when I put a significant discount in there for the people who have added to cart and not purchased, then they seem to convert a lot better. So with this one, I believe I think I'm giving people about, this is a high ticket product, of course, but I think I'm giving people off about either 15 to 20% or something like that. So, when I do add to cart to purchase retargeting, I give people a minimum off of 10%, always a minimum off for 10%. Obviously, you want to work out to see how much you can actually afford to give off. If you can't afford to give off 10%, then of course it makes no sense giving off 10%. But I personally like to give off at least a minimum of 10% for people who have added to cart and didn't purchase, just to push them over the edge and actually get them to purchase the product. This is literally the time range on this is people who are just 180 days. And you can take this a little bit further as well if you wanted to. I haven't right about now, so you can do people who have just only 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, but this is literally just everyone because it's a fairly new campaign. I just want people in through the door to see my offer and to make the purchase. So make sure that you're setting up traffic campaigns and give it a go, for people who are adding to cart and purchase. And, I'm seeing these same results over and over again in multiple different niches, multiple different products. Every time I see something that is starting to work, I'll always set up a traffic campaign and optimize for link clicks. And, my offer is always at least a minimum of 10% to get them through the process. So yeah, that is how I'm generating these results. And I hope you go out and give it a go. Give traffic campaigns a go for your retargeting. And yeah, most definitely let me know the sort of results that you get. So as usual, I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and of course, smash that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the notification bell as well so you stay up to date with all of my videos and you don't miss a single one. We're growing every single day. I think we're probably close to 12,000 subscribers now. So become a part of the notification team and a subscriber and never miss out on a value bomb again. So as you can see, using traffic campaigns for retargeting campaigns works absolutely fantastic. Definitely for, you know, your add to cart and people who haven't purchased. It's just working absolutely crazy for me right about now. Of course, if you like this video, you're going to absolutely love the course. So if you aren't on a waitlist and want to be up to date for when that is out before anybody else, then make sure you click the link down below and join the waitlist. Okay, you'll be the first to know when that is live. And of course, make sure you're in the free Facebook mastermind group. I'm in there, other marketers are in there. We talk about nothing but all the best strategies, tips and tricks on a daily basis. Again, the link for that will be down below. It's 100% free. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a follow, and of course we can try and connect on there. So that is it for this video, and I'll be back with another one dropping nothing but you already know value bombs. Take care, and I'll see you later.